This, my friends, is the DJI Mic Mini, a lightweight, super compact, very reasonably priced microphone that's perfect for your smartphone and a more professional camera setup. In this video, we are going to go through all of its key features, how to set it up with both mobile and camera, and decide whether it's the right mic for you. And just as a little side note, DJI have not sent me out this microphone. It's a mic that I've researched myself. I needed something for this kind of setup, and when I'm out shooting, I decided to get this mic, and I thought I'd give it an honest review and let you guys know exactly what I think about it. The DJI Mic Mini comes in a few different kits depending on what you're looking for, but the one that I went for is the 2 mic setup. So you get 2 mics in this cute little box and a pouch with wind muffs and everything, and it's the perfect compact little box that you can take away and just slip into your pocket or into your bag. So in the little box there's also this little USB-C adapter that helps you connect it to your smartphone or even your computer if need be. Also included in the little kit, you have 2 types of wind muffs. You have this black one and you also have this grey one. The black one is more for outdoor areas where it's light wind, and the grey one is for more heavy duty wind. Now I think it's amazing that DJI have provided 2 different types of wind muffs for this amazing price. You also get this 3.5 jack that is very useful for connecting the transmitter to our camera like so, and you also get this USB-C wire to help charge the DJI case. And I really love this case that DJI have put together. You can fit the 3.5mm jack in the top of the case like so. You just wrap it around in the middle, and you can also fit the wind muffs in there as well. So just in this tiny little case, you can easily slip this into your pocket or into your bag. As I mentioned before, you don't necessarily need to put everything into the pouch. You can just take this little hard case with you, and it doubles up as a charger, and I think that's just brilliant. So taking a look at the actual transmitter, the transmitter that we're going to hook onto our t-shirt or our shirt or wherever it might be, it's super small and it's super lightweight. It comes in at just 10 grams. DJI have really packed in a lot of technology into this Mic Mini setup. So here it is, the DJI Mic Mini hooked onto my shirt, and you can see just how small and discreet this mic is. It's a fantastic little mic, only 10 grams. I can hardly feel it on me at all. Moving around is very, very comfortable. It's not pulling down on my shirt like you see with other mics that are quite heavy and quite clunky. They pull your shirt to the side. You really don't feel this mic set up on you at all. I'm using the mag strip. It's got a magnetic strip like you can see here. You can see me taking it off and putting it back on, and I've just clipped that onto the inside of my shirt, and it's holding with the magnetic strip. It's really, really fantastic. It doesn't feel like it's gonna move at all. I've been out shooting with this. I've been for a jog, don't feel it, and yeah, it's very, very secure. So looking at the side of our DJI Mini mic, we have the LED light indicator. In the middle, we have our connect button, so that helps connect the mic to other DJI products. So I haven't done this yet, but I'm going to connect this up to my DJI drone. You can connect it up to your DJI Osmo and other DJI products, which is really, really fantastic. And then below that, we've got our power button, and we can actually use this power button to select some other functions with the DJI Mimo app that we will touch base on later. On the back side of our mic, we have this clip, so you can easily clip the mic onto any piece of clothing. And then you also have the mag strip, which I touched base on earlier. So you can easily take that off, slip it under any piece of clothing, whether it's a t-shirt, a shirt, a dress, a baseball cap, and you can simply attach the mic to basically anything that you need. And it's very, very secure. The magnet is very strong. I've tested it out. It's brilliant. Flipping the mic over to the other side, we see all of these little dots, and that's basically where we capture the sound on this Mic Mini. This is the microphone, and this is where we want to attach our wind muff. So if you're outdoors and it's a bit windy, you can simply grab this wind muff, you can place it on top like so, and just give it a gentle little push down, and you'll hear it click into place. And that is perfect for being out in the park or down by the river or wherever it might be. you want to have this little wind muff on whenever there's windy conditions. And on the bottom side of the Mic Mini, you have these 4 golden dots, and those are its connection points. And that's basically the side that you want to pop it into the box so that it can charge up. Another thing that we can talk about is the battery life. The battery life on this Mic Mini is very, very impressive. Up to 11 hours on a single charge. And you really do not have to worry about running out of battery life at all, because 11 hours is more than enough time to do a shoot. And then if you do run low on battery and you're out, you can simply just pop it back into the box and it's going to charge up as well, because the box holds its own independent charge. And another fantastic feature that DJI have added to the system via the Mimo app is that you can set the box to basically turn off when it's been inactive for 15 minutes. So if you're out on a shoot and you're not using the system and 15 minutes of time has lapsed and it's been inactive, the system will automatically power off, and that will save you a lot of battery time. I mean, on some of my systems in the past, I've forgotten to turn my mics off and I've put them back into my bag and I've gone out for a shoot next time and the whole system's completely dead and I have to wait, an hour or two to charge everything back up. DJI have even thought about this little feature, this problem. It's just one less thing for us all to worry about. So let's take a look at the receiver for the DJI Mic Mini system. This tiny little thing does pack a punch and is a lot smaller than other receivers out there on the market. You can simply attach it to your camera's hot shoe like so. So right here, the LED light is blinking. We have our LED indication light, which means that it's powered on but not quite connected yet. So another really cool feature that DJI have added to the system is that as soon as you flip open the lid and pull out your mic and receiver, they will start to connect. So you can see here that I've got the first mic in my hand and it's showing that mic number 1 is connected. Mic number 2 is still in the box, so it is not connected. If I pull out mic number 2, you can see now that mic number 2 is connected. Simple. Another cool feature that DJI have added to the system is this little gain dial on our receiver. So using this, I can simply adjust the volume of the mics from here, from the receiver. I don't have to go into the app. I don't have to go into my camera and adjust manually. I can see the volume levels on my camera and I can simply just change this dial to go -6, -12, or plus if I need to go plus. And it's just another feature that DJI have added that makes things a lot simpler for the end user. On the side of our receiver, we have this 3.5mm jack. This is where we're going to connect the receiver to our camera, but it also doubles up as a headphone port. So for example, if you're using this with your smartphone, you can simply plug in your headphones and listen to your audio live. That's another amazing feature that DJI have added to the system. Next to that, we have our connect button, and this is useful for changing some settings and making sure that we're properly connected. So on the bottom side, we have the USB port. You can use this to charge up your receiver if you've bought the single mic version, but for me, I've got the box version, the 2 setup version. I just pop it into my box and it charges itself. Next to that, we have these pins, and in your box, you'll find a little USB-C adapter. You can simply plug it in like so, make sure it's nice and secure, and then you can simply plug this into your smartphone. And as simple as that, we're ready to go. So we can also use this USB-C adapter to plug into our laptop, for example. So if we're on a Zoom call or we're doing YouTube live streaming or whatever it might be, video calls, we can use this setup, walk around, move around, and our audio is going to be perfect. A really great feature that DJI have added. I really enjoy this one and I use it myself. So to attach the receiver to our camera, just going to flip open the case. We're going to grab our receiver and then grab our 3.5mm wire. So our receiver is going to fit into our hot shoe on our camera like so. And then we're just going to grab our wire and we're simply going to plug in the wire into our receiver. And then we're going to plug the other end of our wire into our mic input on our camera. So here on our receiver, we want to make sure we've got a solid green light. That means the receiver's ready to go. And now I'm just going to grab both of our mics from our box, and you can see that they're both connected here. The number 1 LED light is solid green and the number 2 LED light is solid green. So this means that we're capturing audio and we're ready to go. So one of the key features for the DJI Mini mic setup is noise cancellation. So you simply need to hold the power button here and you'll see the yellow LED light turn on. Once that yellow LED light is turned on, this indicates that we are using noise cancellation. And another amazing feature that DJI have added is that you can actually adjust the level of the noise cancellation using the DJI Mimo app. Another key feature that DJI have added to this system is that it auto clips your audio. So for example, if you're out on the streets and a motorbike or a police car or somebody screams and goes past you, which normally would ruin your audio because it would peak, the DJI system will automatically limit the audio so it won't peak and your audio is safe. And also on the flip side, if you start speaking very, very quietly, let's say that you're sneaking around and you need to lower your voice, the system will automatically raise the voice, the audio levels, so it will be in a good listening bandwidth. So no matter what you're doing, how loud you're being or how quiet you're being, the system automatically adjusts your audio so that when you do take it into your editing suite, you've got a really good audio level already to start with. So I really like the system so far. I've been using it in different situations and it's really ticked a lot of the boxes. I like how compact it is. I love all the features and the technology that DJI have fitted into this system. And I also love the price point. It's very, very affordable. DJI always bringing out amazing products at a really, really good price. There is one little thing that I wish they had added. On the microphone, I wish they had just added a little mic jack so you could add a little lav mic and hook it onto your shirt. Yeah, it is super, super compact, but a lav mic is even more compact and more discreet. So it would be nice if I could just plug in a lav mic and I could just put this into my pocket, feed the wire up my shirt and just clip on a little lav mic. But that's me just being very, very picky. So that's just one feature that I wish they had added. But apart from that, I love the system. I love how compact and all the different features that DJI have fitted into this system. I love the little carry box and how everything fits inside. You can simply just slip it into your pocket, chuck it into your bag and you're ready to go. It's very well made, it's very, very durable, and it's definitely the best mic system that I've had so far. So I hope this video helped answer some of your questions. If you got any other questions at all, leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Until next time, I'll catch you on the next video.